Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about what is digital marketing, why is it important, and what is all the hype about being in the digital marketing space. Right, let's start. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is basically a way of getting whatever you are offering, whether it is a service, a physical product, a digital product, getting those products and services in front of the right eyeballs, right? If nobody knows about your service, your product, no one's going to be able to buy it. So in the old times, we had marketing on billboards, on TV channels, on a radio. But in today's time, because people are on social media, because they have emails, and because they have computer, the online space exists and people are there. That is why we need to move our advertisement to the space where people are so that your business can get discovered. Right. Okay. So what does digital marketing entail? Digital marketing is basically CEO using the correct keywords, the correct lingo, the keyword research and terms in your content so that you can get discovered by Google or whoever searching for what you have to offer. It also entails content creating different forms of content like videos, blogs, what else? Infographics, and so that you can engage with your target audience. There's also social media marketing, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and these are platforms which you can use absolutely free to promote your products to your target audience. Email marketing is also a huge part of digital marketing because it just allows you to connect with your customer through emails, and it helps to automate your business. So why is digital marketing essential? Because if nobody knows your business exists, they can't buy from you. So digital marketing puts your products and services in front of the right eyeballs so that you get discovered and you can turn your clients into customers, right? So why does everybody want to get into this digital marketing space? Why is it blowing up? And what is all the hype around it, right? Number one, visibility. Without digital marketing, no one will know that you exist. Number two, it gives you the opportunity to build multiple income streams. For example, if you use YouTube as one of your ways to get content to your audience, you can easily grow a YouTube channel. Another way is affiliate marketing. Because you know how to digital market your own business, you can also market someone else's products and get a commission from promoting their products. Another reason why people want to get into the digital marketing space is because you don't need any online experience, any qualifications, any degrees to do this. All the skills you are able to learn, and you can literally set up an online business without having any degree or any knowledge. You can learn everything you need to know. Digital marketing also allows for you to automate your business. So this means it saves you so much time having to connect with your customer and nurture leads, but you can do this through email systems and automations in your digital marketing business. Digital marketing is also very affordable. That is why people are jumping into it, because you can literally buy a course on digital marketing that teaches you exactly what you need to know to start and run a successful online business. Gives you flexibility, so you are able to reach a very wide audience on different platforms. So you can reach people who are on TikTok, people who are on Instagram, people who are on YouTube. So that gives you a very flexible way of reaching your audience. You get data insights, so you can see what's working for your business, what's not working, and quickly make changes so that you can start seeing better results in your business. So that is why digital marketing, you can grow it quite easily, because reading the data and just taking the data into consideration, you can actually expand on your business. And the last one, number 8, it has a global reach. You can reach people in all parts of the world. And obviously, if you have more customers, you have more sales, which means that's good for your business because it means that your business is growing and you can easily scale your business. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please give me a like, follow, share, comment, and I will see you in the next one.